My name is Andre Muhibul Islam, student of STEMIC Amikio, Class A, Informatic Engineering. I will give a detail of my knowledge to prevent COVID-19, and I will give advice and ways to prevent the body from staying away from the danger of the COVID-19 virus spread. Next, think love yourself. Develop a healthy lifestyle in nutrition, food, and exercise with each other so that this virus does not spread more. And last, always visit our family with use staying silent at home. I support the government in breaking the COVID-19. Well, that's all I can say in my video this time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you. Assalamualaikum.